Clean and shine rubber plant leaves and of other houseplants using homemade DIY leaf shine spray for indoor plants I will give in this video. The spray will not only dissolve the dust and remove hard water spots from leaves, but also polish and protect the leaves from insects. First, clean dust on both sides of the leaves with a soft cloth, tissue paper or dusting feather. Start from the top leaves. Follow this on larger, leafy plants, but use a soft paintbrush for smaller plants. Leaf shine spray recipe: mix 1 ml white vinegar, 1 ml neem oil and a few drops of dishwashing soap in 1 liter water. Vinegar is great at repelling pests and its acidity dissolves dust and mineral salts. The neem oil can kill many insects and pests like spider mites on the plant, in addition to shine the leaves. Then spray on both sides of the leaves. Now wipe the top sides, giving support at the undersides of the leaves. Wipe the undersides with a soft cloth. Support the top sides with your palm to prevent leaf damage. Polish the leaves when they get dry with a soft cloth. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscription button below this video or click the logo here.